This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by randyweg. It doesn't get any easier than this. Super efficient 1-bed 1-bath condo with lots of daylight, vaulted ceilings, kitchen west / stainless appliances, open floor plan, large great room, and private patio. Master bedroom has its own balcony. Steps from all that Semiahmoo has to offer. Enjoy walking trails, water access, tennis, swimming, kayaking, and championship golf. Great investment opportunity. For more information, review the details below or contact randyweg at 360-354-4455.